Hello, I am Sudarshan Mandal, MSc second semester, and my assigned topic is types of gene mutation. Inheritance is based on the genes that are faithfully transmitted from parents to offspring during reproduction. Different mechanisms have evolved to facilitate the faithful transmission of genetic information from generation to generation. Nevertheless, mistakes or change in the genetic material do occur. Such sudden heritable changes in genetic material are called mutation. Direction of the mutation. It is of two types, forward and the reverse. In case of forward direction, it creates a change from wild type to abnormal phenotype. Most mutations are forward type. In case of backward or reverse mutation, changes an altered nucleotide sequence back to its original sequence. The gene mutation can be occurred by the spontaneous effect as well as the induced. Spontaneous effect is classified into two categories, replication errors and spontaneous. Replication errors further categorized into point mutation and frameshift mutation. Point mutation, it can be occurred through transition as well as transversion. Frameshift mutation can be occurred through deletion or addition of bases. Spontaneous mutation, they are also called background mutation and have been reported in many organisms such as Inothera, maize, molds, bacteria, mice, and human being. It occurs through three effects: tautomerism, depurination, and deamination. Tautomerism. A base is changed by the repositioning of a hydrogen atom, altering the hydrogen bonding pattern of that base and resulting in incorrect base pairing during replication. Depurination. Loss of a purine base from an apurinic or AP site. Deamination. Hydrolysis changes a normal base to an atypical base containing a keto group in place of original amino group. Point mutation. It brings little phenotypic changes as to compare frameshift mutation. It is of two types based on the base pair substitution. Transition, it is a point mutation occurs by substitution of one purine with the other and one pyrimidine with the other. Transversion, it is a point mutation occur by substitution of purine by pyrimidine and vice versa, as you see in the figure. The phenotypic effect of point mutation. Silent mutation. Mutation in which mutated codon codes same amino acid as the original codon. Missense. Mutated codon codes different amino acid so as protein form is also altered. Nonsense. Mutation in which altered codon is stop codon or termination codon. It causes incomplete synthesis. Such incomplete protein is always non-functional. Frame shift mutation. It occurs as a result of addition or deletion of nucleotide bases in the sequence of DNA. In an mRNA, each codon is represented by the three bases without punctuation. Addition and deletion can change the entire frame. So, frame shift mutation brings greater effect than the point mutation. Induced mutation. So, beside naturally occurring spontaneous mutation, the mutation can be introduced artificially in the living organism by exposing them to abnormal environments such as radiation, chemical, and certain physical condition. The agent which causes mutation is known as mutagens. It is of four types: teratogen, carcinogen, clastogens, and non-specific. Mutagens usually have inherent carcinogenic properties as the damage caused by their action may trigger new plastic transformation. Teratogens are by the definition agent that may induce abnormal prenatal development or may increase the risk for such. Clastogens, it is a mutagenic agent giving rise to or inducing disruption of breakage of chromosome leading to section of the chromosome being deleted, added or rearranged. These are the references I have used in this PPT, as well as I have taken some information from the Genetics 4th edition by Benjamin A. Pierce. Thank you so much.